Hey everyone, I want to give you just one quick tip how you can improve your athletic performance really fast. So this one tip is drinking beetroot juice. Beetroot is usually a hate it or love it type of vegetable, but when you drink beetroot juice, it creates a gas in your blood called nitric oxide, which one for one, it amplifies your blood vessels, allowing more nutrients to go through, but it also optimizes how you use your oxygen. So you can perform the same amount of effort or more effort using less oxygen. I noticed it drastically when I was training swimming, because of course swimming is just such a short distance, right? Like you either swim 20 or you either swim 25 meters without a breath. So I noticed those extra 5 meters that I needed to swim. I went from swimming, let's say 15 to 20 meters underwater nonstop, to 25 meters complete. If you're a marathon runner, it is suggested that you drink beetroot juice in advance once a day for 1 week. Quick, fast, super quick fix to improve your endurance, particularly endurance exercises. Try it and let us know how it went in the comments below. Subscribe if you like this video, you want to know more. If you want more in-depth coaching personalized to your particular lifestyle, there is a nutrition coaching section on our website, and we have this kindness call for everybody to just discover if we are the right fit and if we can help you achieve your either fitness goals or health goals, getting your health back on track. So feel free to subscribe. There is no risk, just take kindness call.